Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use WhatsApp mute video before sending. So if you want to send to any person a video without having the audio part sent, you can easily do this from WhatsApp. So what you're going to do is first of all simply open WhatsApp and select the person that you are going to send the video to. And after you select the video, then simply your interface will look like this. Now if you play on the video, the audio will start playing, right?
How to change what?
Now, if you want to mute this, the trickiest and the simplest method is right over here. On the edit section, there is the information over 19 MB, 147, and there is the audio icon right over there. If you just simply press on this, and it will be mute. And that's it, guys. Now, if you try to play this video, as you can see, the player is loading here, but the audio is not opening. And if you want to unmute it anytime, simply tap on over here.
How to change
And as you can see, the audio is on. And that's it, guys. Simply tap over here and your video will be mute. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.